Today we are making 3 kinds of slice and bake Christmas cookies. Let's get started. The dough is basically same as these cookies I made last year. This time I reduced sugar a little bit. Mix soft butter, powdered sugar, and salt until it looks smooth. Add whole egg and egg yolk and mix until it looks smooth. And add cake flour and almond flour and mix until the dough is even. From the whole dough, take about 300 grams to make all the parts. And save the rest to cover them later. To make the wreath cookies, first make a paw. And shave off the surface with anything with sharp corners like this to create ruffle patterns very easily. I mixed green, yellow, and brown to make the green color. And wrap it all around the pole evenly. Cover it with plain dough. And that's it. We're gonna add decorations later. For Santa boots, I mixed red and brown to make the color. Save some of the red dough for Santa hat and decorations. And shape the rectangle. Use the excess dough to complete the boot's shape. Finally, for the Santa cookies, first color the dough for his skin. And make semi-cylinder shape. And attach more dough as his beard. I decided to mix some sprinkles in it, but it is totally optional. Don't hesitate to add a lot of beard to make him look very Santa. To connect his face and hat, make sure that they are both frozen so that they are not getting squished as you do this. Because his beard is a plain color, I decided to color the dough to cover his face, but now I think the color was a bit too pale. I felt that especially after the cookies are baked. I recommend to make the color a bit darker. Be very careful not to squish the face parts. Anytime you feel the dough is too soft to work on, simply chill it again and come back. Now, using the excess plain dough, we make the fluffs for Santa hat, Santa boots, and beard. I actually didn't use this much. You only need about a half of this amount. And chill and cut. And make tiny balls with the excess red dough as decorations. If you have red sprinkles, you could use that instead of this. Apply a very thin layer of egg wash and attach sprinkles. You can slice them so easily when they are frozen without squishing the shapes. For his brows, I cut the round sprinkle in half. I somehow forgot to add pom-pom to all of their hats. Only a few of them has pom-poms. First, bake at 350 Fahrenheit and turn it down to 330 Fahrenheit until the edge is slightly golden brown. From one batch of this recipe, you should be able to make about 50 to 55 cookies. You can store the cookies either at room temperature or in the fridge. I personally love to eat them while they are cold. Try both ways and tell me which way you like better. When you bake those cookies, if you have, I highly recommend you to use mesh silicone mat. When I use that, cookies get baked a little bit more evenly. You can check the one I have from the description box below. It's totally normal that the cookies spread in the oven, but so that it's not gonna spread too much, chill the cookies in the fridge or freezer until right before you bake. This is a very important process. If you don't chill them, cookies spread a lot more in the oven. I made 3 designs, but of course, just like the cookie box video, you can just make 1 or 2 if you want. And today I added good amount of decorations, so if you don't have the time, just omit them. You can change around as you like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful time of the year. Enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.